Hey guys, today I wanted to make a video on my Chrysler Bell Air Raid siren. And this thing's actually really big. I'll go get it.
I've got a little bit of a trick for you. We don't just want to see your Ghostbusters, Ginger.
So here it is.
We want to taste them too.
Now this thing is actually really big.
To create a ghoulishly delicious treat. In honor of Ghostbusters Stay Puft Marshmallow Band, your treat must include toasted marshmallows, and it must be seamlessly incorporated into your overall.
So here's my Chrysler Bell Air Raid siren. V8 with, was it a Hemi engine? Chrysler engine? Chrysler. She knows her shit on Chryslers.
I'm going to make a Stay Puft Splat.
World's loudest siren, right here. Obviously it's not real.
All I can think of in my head.
It's just, a home-built Chrysler siren. Look at this.
1 cup of brown sugar and 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I decided to make a Scottish
Like my new hairdo, it's a Chrysler Bell Air Raid siren.
homemade marshmallow cream. All of this stuff, vanilla pens. It's got vanilla bean in it.
It is?
We need a shake.
Seems literally bigger than my head.
Where were you going to use them?
Oh yeah.
So is it moldy? Okay, that's perfect.